Hey, it's Gina with WTI, and if you're looking to create more of a spa experience in your home, or you just need something really sturdy, water resistant, and beautiful for your shower, you cannot go wrong with this teak bench that I got from NNN. So I have an outside bathtub and it's freestanding and it's a little bit high for me to get into comfortably without something to step on. This bench has been perfect. Not only has it added to the overall serenity and aesthetic that I was going for, but it is so sturdy. So it can support up to 350 pounds. I'm 140 pounds and I feel very comfortable on it. I have this on uneven ground because we haven't finished our flooring yet. And this has 8 adjustable anti-slip feet on. So I was able to adjust the sets that needed to so that it doesn't rock at all. It has gorgeous shades of light and dark that give it an amazing depth of color. So it's very visually pleasing. This has been polished with 3 coats of teak sap and Brazilian canuba wax. And teak itself, of course, is wonderfully bug repellent and water resistant. This was so easy to assemble. It took me just a few minutes to do so, and the instructions are very clear. This bench is so luxurious and high quality. I think you're going to love it as much as I have, and that's my point of view.